Today I want to show you a few changes in my garden, including a loss that I'm quite sad about. But first, let's eat breakfast. Gotta clean the counter off before I can cook. Oh yeah, I'm very much of a cheapskate. I love this cutting board. My mom gave it to me. Well, actually, I think I inherited it from her. And my cast iron, a little bitsy, but it certainly works. Really, I really love cooking in this little cast iron skillet. It's mainly because it's easy to clean afterwards. Things don't seem to stick to it like they do my other skillets. Onions, onions. I'm going to move the camera so you can see what I'm doing a little better. These onions are quite small. And they're nearly a year old. Got them out of our garden last year. So I'm surprised that they're still good. Some of them have dried up. I can't use all of them that I've got saved up, but quite a few of them are quite usable. Well, I suppose I should be talking while I'm cutting up onions, so that you're listening to me and not just watching me. What do you think? Oh well, you can just watch, right? I also cut up a medium-sized potato into some small chunks. Pink Himalayan salt. Pepper. It was right about here that my camera quit working on me again. So I put kale leaves in there. It's like the dinosaur kale type of kale. And I tried to use one hand to put my egg in. I just made a mess of the egg, but it got in there. I had to pluck out a piece of shell, but oh well. I put the camera down to put the other egg in. 2 eggs, and scrambled it all up in there. And it was quite yummy. And there's my breakfast. I only got petunias planted in my little turquoise planters along the edge of my garden, or edge of my yard. Hi. Squash is looking pretty good there. As are the beans. Hopefully I'm showing them to you that the sun is, yeah, there we go. I have to get in here and re-weed the grass and the common mallow are growing back up. But I have something awful to show you. I'm so sad. Right there, that is my mulberry tree. You say, what mulberry tree? Yeah, that's exactly. It's gone, like gone. But we think we figured out where it went. Look at my feet. Over here and over there, piles of dug up dirt. I think we have moles. They ate my mulberry tree. They ate it. They ate my mulberry tree. Well, I contacted the people where I bought the mulberry tree so I could order another one. They said they wouldn't have any till August. I may try to see if there's one somewhere else. But on to better things. My husband built me this cage, or whatever you call it. And in winter I'll fix the top on it. I've got some mustard and what do I have in here? Mustard greens. Very large, those big daikon radish things. Broccoli, turnips, and cabbage. So hopefully we will have food coming up, and it's shaded here quite a bit, so the excuse me, summer heat shouldn't bother it too much. So I finally did get this area where all those thistles were cleaned out. So you can actually see what I've got here. My lilies, I just planted a daisy. I've got some zinnias, petunias, hens and chicks, more zinnias and petunias. Looks like this daisy's just about ready to bloom. This kind of snapped out of it. The poppy I had in there hasn't snapped back much, but the rest of the things are coming along. My theory was that a dog peed in it. Oh look, those are really ready to bloom. And the squash that I had planted right here disappeared along with my mulberry tree. And look at the piles of dirt. Well, as long as they leave my figs alone, I'll be okay. But I really do need to get out here and do some weeding. My Chicago fig has lost most of its leaves, but I see down toward the bottom some new ones starting out, so it's the wind that has done that. We just have so much wind here this year. And I didn't know what was in this, but I have came to realize this is a rhubarb plant. I think not too long ago I came through here and ate some things out of there. It didn't make me sick, although it's rhubarb, it should have. But it is rhubarb, no doubt about it. So, beans are looking a lot better after a day of sunshine. The video on my camera decided it didn't want to work. But this is along the fence line on the other side of the house. I have beans and sunflowers, and my grapes are all here. And I planted a few zinnias and petunias. So this is looking really good. I'm enjoying this part of my yard too. Well, that's all I'm going to video today. My camera seems to not want to cooperate with me. Keeps saying it's hot. So we'll just stop and get this uploaded for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that kind of stuff. Notification bell. And most of all, may the good Lord richly bless you. I'll see you on the next video.